Hello friends, how are you? I think we're officially Minnesotans now, honey.
Yeah, I guess so,
right?
Huh? Yeah. We just got back, or we were just at the DMV getting our licenses and our new license plates.
Yes.
Yeah, that's like official.
Yeah, it's so official. There was like a hiccup. They needed more paperwork from me, so I had to go to the UPS store. And girl, something about me. Remember I told you I got lost yesterday going to Jessica's and then going back home. I go to the UPS flawlessly. And then I go back to the DMV while Justin's still in the DMV he was dealing with his thing first. And then I get lost. I get turned around. I had 10 more minutes. Justin's following me on the Tesla app. Don't you dare.
No, listen.
Don't you dare.
Because I wanted, here was the thing, is like, they were saying like, oh, you got to come back, like, because you don't have the right paperwork. And I'm like,
no.
Can we just like process my application, do the cars, and then April at the same time can go get the, sorry, I need the mirror. Like, you can go get the paperwork. And so the reason I was looking on the app was because I wanted to make sure you get back in time before they like made me go sit down and wait again. Like,
you can sit down.
Man, but there were so many people in there, like it was, but you going there and doing that while I was like multitasking.
Yes, I understand.
That saved us like at least an hour, like at least. So that was great.
I know. But yeah, we're official Minnesotans. We got the cutest. Like, let me tell you about Minnesota. They have really cute license plates. It's not just like plain white. Like, it's artful, right? It's beautiful.
It's like
you can pick.
It's like you pay extra $30 a year and it goes back. It's like an environmental, reinvest in the environment thing
and
for
the
Minnesota.
Parks and stuff.
Yeah, and so I think that's cool. And the plates look awesome.
Yeah. Ooh, but I got a little tip for the ladies. You know me, I like to watch true crime and things like that. I learned that don't pick the most feminine looking type of artwork, decoration. Don't make your car look like a female, or don't make your car girly girl, because those are the cars that get targeted to get snatched up. With that said, I picked a not girly piece of art for the license plate. I wanted the pink one, but I said I don't want to get snatched. So that's what I decided to do. I know you probably think I'm paranoid. I'm less paranoid now, but I used to be more paranoid. I know I'm up close, but I just wanted to say this by Pixie. It's a pH Hello Kitty lip tone. It's a pH reactive tint. It really does that. Like, it goes on clear, and then later on you're like, why are my lips pink? I like it a lot. Stopped by Marshall's. Couldn't find no furniture here, but look, Santa's bags, because I don't know where ours are from. Like, do you know where it is, honey?
I think it might be in the gift bag area, or
but
maybe
just in case.
Oh, it might be in the holiday decor area.
But just in case, like, we don't want to miss out on the delivery.
Oh yeah.
Santa.
Oh yeah.
And then we found some gifts, some holiday gifts for the boys. Like, look, this.
Some dino eggs.
This for my nephew. This for Sophie girl.
We got some like board games and Nerf guns. That's good.
We're getting there. So I don't know. This one, the gingerbread man.
I really like that one.
I like it. But I also like this.
Ooh, that one's really nice.
But there's also one here.
Ooh, that one's. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh, that one's actually really cool. I don't know if we have enough space for that one though. That's cool.
No, like the front of the house.
You think so?
Ooh, but then they're going off on the gingerbread man this year. Not that one. This one. It has 3.
Oh, that's a cool one.
Which one do you think fits our house?
Man, I really like that one.
Which one? This one?
That one.
Okay.
That one or this one? I think the gingerbread one.
Yeah.
What do you think that was? The 3 one, yeah.
Yeah, I like this one. Shrimp shumai, so good. And then Justin got karaage for an appetizer. Well, I told Justin, I was like, I want to try mussels just to see if I'm allergic. And he's like, don't even try it again, because I got an allergic reaction last time, so I couldn't get mussels.
No. It still looks good without mussels, though.
Yeah, but the mussels was just so good.
I got char siu ramen and karaage, and April got these are shrimp shumai. That's good.
We stopped by to get groceries, and it's interesting because at Lunds and Byerly's they give you this and then you pick it up. Like, you don't bring it to your cart, it locks the cart.
Yeah, I put it in the back of your trunk for
Yeah. That's interesting. So lately I've been really into filming Unbag My Groceries with me, and after we went to Lunds and Byerly's, I did just that right on time because now I'm about to go get the kids. I wait a little longer for pickup when Liam has his baritone, which is today, because it takes him longer to get out of the school. And then sometimes I'm at the pickup line in the front, and then they're not even there, and then they make me wait all the way in the front, and I'm like, my kids won't see me if I'm all the way in the front. And then I was like, I have two boys, a 7 and a 10-year-old. They have glasses, Liam and Jacob, but let's be honest, they'll spot them. There's not a lot of Asian kids. They'll spot them, and they always like send them over to me whenever. We got some blinds today. We're gonna get that installed tomorrow. And radon mitigation, and then these permanent light fixtures that Justin wants. All of that's happening tomorrow, and we're also having Jessica over, Sophia and baby. Yeah, just a lot going on tomorrow, but I'm excited about Jessica coming over. Sharon and Steve are on their 20th wedding anniversary trip, but they'll be back like the next day. They've been gone for the week. It is snack time for my boys. Homework and snack time. Just some chips and some fruit. Oh, and what else is going on? Oh, I got some PR. I got these from Wondery Media, Wondery Kids. That's so nice. Kids are gonna like that. They can do that with cousin Sophia. My goodness, Liam's homework took 2 hours. I don't think kids should have to spend 2 hours on homework. And that's coming from an old preschool teacher. Like, homework shouldn't take 2 hours for a 5th grader. Like, that sucks. Well, some of it was baritone practice, and that's just based on the honor system. Like, he can practice or he doesn't, but he is just that boy. He likes to follow the rules. Anyways, since the boys are showering, I can say these words. So, you know how I always talk about the You Are a Badass at Making Money book? I listen to that every January. It just kind of reminds you like how much you're worth, this, that, whatever. In the book, it teaches you that you also have to support your friends by buying their products or supporting their business instead of asking it for free 99, right? So whenever I see someone on social media that I like, or a real life friend or a real life family member that like sells jewelry or sells whatever the case it may be, I will buy it to support them. And that was the case for Danny. You know I love me some coffee break with Danny. I ordered this on her Etsy store, right? It is so beautiful. Do you see that? I'm trying to like focus. And I gave her this photo, and I love everything. And then I flipped it, and it was a photo of my mom and that girl. I cried such ugly tears. I was so touched by it. I love everything about my keychain. And I mean, look, I have a wonderful keychain now because I have my family, especially. I love this one. And then she gave my kitties a collar, and it's so cute. Like, I can't find any of my kitties right now. They're just sleeping. I don't want to bother them, but they look so cute. I shared it in my stories, but oh my gosh, the collar she gave like as a gift, and that was so nice of her. I just wanted to share. If you guys are interested, support my friend Danny. I will link her Etsy shop. Like, you can customize it however way you want. I love it. I love it so much. Good morning, friends. How are you? I took the babies to school. I worked out. It's so cold. I feel like whatever was sweaty is now dry. Oh my goodness. You know what? Can I tell you something? I was listening to the ladies in Pilates, and you know what? They described the weather as balmy. And I always thought that it was a Sharon thing. Sharon always says, oh, it's balmy today. I guess that's a thing. The description of the weather today is balmy. So I'm going to use it now because, you know, I'm trying to fit in up in here. Today is radon mitigation for our home. There's like 3 different crews today. The radon mitigation crew. We have our cats in the bathroom so that they don't run away when they have the doors open, close, you know what I mean? And then with their litter box, of course, and some food. And then when they leave, we take them back out and they live their best lives. But that's just for safety for my own babies. And then we have light fixtures all throughout the house, like outdoor permanent lighting that we need, because there's not a lot of lighting up in our house. I mean, on the outside. So that's getting done. And then just a bunch of stuff for like getting our shutters installed and all of that, because the previous owner of the house loved having everything bust wide open for everyone to see. And I don't like that. The dining room area, especially in the front of the house, needs to be closed. Like, they don't have like shutters, drapes, blinds, nothing. Actually blinds, not shutters, my bad. But yeah, that's what's up. And I'm gonna go holiday shopping right now, because I am getting like kind of anxiety about it. I know a lot has been going on in our life, selling our house in California, buying a house in Minnesota, getting the boys, you know, situated with their new school, unpacking, getting our cats situated, all the things. I understand that, but at the same time, and then I've been hosting in between all of that, the family. I love it though. Like, you guys don't understand how much joy it brings me to like have family over and to bake for them. I'm actually gonna have family over today. I invited Jessica and Sophia and baby to come over for dinner. Sharon and Steve, by the time you guys watch this, they'll be back, but Sharon and Steve went on a vacation for their 20th wedding anniversary. And I was like, we should, you know, have dinner together. So she's coming later on tonight. Hopefully it's not messy and it's not dangerous with all the work happening around the house today. But yeah, I'm gonna do some holiday shopping. I'm thinking about going to Bath and Body Works to buy some stuff for the teachers. Jacob's teachers, my Pilates instructor. And then my neighbors, y'all. My neighbors are so nice. So a few of my neighbors. Okay, can I ask you guys, do you guys give gifts to your neighbors, and which ones? Do you go all the way down? Because I want to give gifts to my neighbors to the left, to the right, to the front, and maybe a little more to the other side. But that's it. Like, I'm not doing like the whole block. And I don't know all of them. I know to the left, to the front, to the left. There was this one sweet old lady. She baked us a little bit of some bread on Halloween. Justin was like, "Hi, I'm Justin. I'm your neighbor." And she was so excited. She goes, "Oh, I made some banana bread. Here." It was so nice of her. And it had like cream cheese frosting. And I was like, "Ooh." And then they didn't even bring me any after trick-or-treating. I was like, "Wait, where's mine?" Yeah, anyways, yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm gonna go to Bath and Body Works. So I'll end the vlog here because it's long and I don't want to bore you. So the next vlog, I'll still be looking like this and we'll go shopping, or I'll show you my haul in the next vlog. Bye, friends.